I hear him outside. I'm finally gonna catch this bumbling idiot on video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Eric, and today we have a very special occasion. So this is my 2019 Tesla Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive. I bought this in the summer of 2019, made quite a few videos on it. It's been the best car I've ever owned, and I've owned quite a few cars in my lifetime. As you can see, this is not your typical Tesla Model 3. I've done quite a few mods on this thing. I've got multiple screens going on. I've got my center console changed as far as the color goes. This is normally a gloss black, so I've got it white armrest cover, white charging pad, white seat covers. They look stock, right? These are seat covers. Done quite a few to this car and made quite a few videos, and it's really paid off for me. So let me explain what the special occasion is today. So we're celebrating because our channel hit 2 major milestones this week. The first of which is I've reached 7,000 subscribers. That blows my mind. 7,000 of you have put your faith in me to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for that, guys. And the second milestone, which completely blows my mind, is that the channel as a whole has reached 1 million views. 1 million people have seen this ugly mug on YouTube, and I can't believe it, guys. Thank you so much for that. Listen, I know this channel is still a relatively small channel in the whole world of Tesla YouTubers, but I appreciate every single one of you that put your trust in me to hit that subscribe button and you want to follow me and join us on this crazy ride. Thank you. That's all I can say is thank you. Hopefully I won't let you down with the channel, and I've got a lot more coming in the coming year. Hopefully I'll be able to put another video or two out maybe over Christmas holiday when I have some time off from work. We'll see how that goes. But I just, again, no words can describe how happy I am that I'm getting all these views on the videos and so many people trusting me to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys. I hope you have a happy holidays, and I will be seeing you guys really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.